Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Akshata Patil from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, and the today's subject is Introduction to Civil Engineering, and the topic is Structural Elements of a Building. Let's start our topic, Structural Elements of a Building. So in this video, we will discuss following structural elements of a building. First one is the foundation, second one is the plinth, third one is the lintel, fourth one is the chacha, fifth one is the masonry wall, sixth one is the column, seventh one is the beam, eighth one is the slab, and the last one is the staircase. So we will discuss one by one all structural elements of a building. Let's start the first structural element of a building, that is foundation. A foundation is the lowest part of the building structure resting on a soil below ground level. This is the first structural unit to be constructed for any building construction. Its main function is to transfer all loads of a building through beam and column arrangement. It distributes the load evenly and safely to the ground, and also it prevents settlement of the building. Next structural element is plinth. The plinth is a part of the foundation constructed either at or above the ground. Plinth is the offset created between ground level and the superstructure of the building. It is made by constructing a brick or a stone wall or RCC beam from the ground level to the flooring level of the building. Plinth constructed by RCC beam is called a plinth beam. Its main function is to prevent the entry of a moisture from the ground surface to the building superstructure and to take up the load of the wall coming over it. So our third element is lintel. Lintels are constructed above the wall openings like doors, windows, etc. Normally lintels are constructed by reinforced cement concrete. In residential buildings, lintels can be either constructed from concrete or brick or stone masonry. Its main function is to support the weight of the wall coming over the opening. This is all about lintel. Next structural element of the building is chacha. Chacha is also called weather shed. This is a structure that is generally constructed above the window and projected outside the window face. Chacha can also be provided above doors. Chacha are constructed from reinforced cement concrete. Its main function is to restrict the direct entry of rainwater and sunlight. So our next element is masonry wall. Walls are vertical elements of a building which support the roof. They provide an enclosure and protect against wind, sunshine and rain. Doors and window openings are provided in the walls for ventilation and access to the building. It can be constructed using stones, bricks, concrete blocks, etc. Then the different types of bonds are used for constructing walls, and the main function of masonry wall is to provide an enclosure and protect against wind, sunshine and rain. Then the sixth structural element of a building is column. Columns are vertical members constructed above the ground level to support any structural frame. Load coming from the slab and beams are transferred to the columns, and columns transfer the load to the footing safely. Columns can be divided into two types. First one is the architectural columns and the second one is the structural columns. Architecture columns are constructed to improve the building's aesthetics, and the structural columns, they take the load coming from the slab above and transfers it safely to the foundation. This is about column. Next structural element is beams. Beam is an important component in any frame structure. It is a horizontal member which supports the slab and connects columns on both sides. Its main function is to take the load from the upper floors and transfer it to the columns. So our eighth structural element of a building is slab. Slabs form the horizontal members in a building. For a single story building, the top slab forms the roof. In case of a multi-story building, the slab forms the floors. Slabs are constructed by reinforced cement concrete, that is RCC, and its main function is to provide a flat surface, and also it is used to support the load, and it is a sound, heat and fire insulator, and also it acts as a divider or privacy for the occupants. This is all about the slab. So our last structural element of a building is stairs or a staircase. A stair is a sequence of steps that connects different floors in a building structure. The space occupied by a stair is called as the stairway. Stairs can be constructed by wood, steel, brick or stone, and also RCC, that is reinforced concrete cement. Then the main function of a stairs or a staircase is to provide an access from one floor to another, and also it helps to provide a safe means of a travels between floors, and also it provides a suitable means of a escape in case of a fire. This is all about stairs or a staircase. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.